I personally see always brighter side of the picture. There is a question being asked many times about cheating in consultation. I believe that a good consultant, a good mentor always believe in convincing their clients, especially the students. I believe that when we are giving information regarding our institutes, we should be very open to the parents and students, especially when it's come for their expenses, because it's really hard for parents nowadays in the countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal to manage the education, which is especially I'm talking about higher education for their children. It's not easy for them to send their son and daughter abroad for a good education in a good institute and get ripped off. I believe that consultants are giving false information, and we shouldn't do that, including me. We should always give clear picture, all that aspects they are going to face in certain countries like Serbia or Georgia right now, because Ukraine is in war. But that is a good prospect, which is very economical for foreigners, for foreign students, and standard of education is good there as well. But Serbia is a prime location. Since last 2 years we have done extensive advertisement for Serbian universities, and not just that that we have advertised. It's reality that those universities have very good reputation and they are well renowned with their method of teaching, the skillful staff what they have, the professor they have, and the facilities, especially hospitals and laboratories. So we come to the point that yes, I believe that consultant should give a clear and a proper advice to their student and their parents, that they not get cheated, and they are aware of the expenses which are hidden expenses when they reach in Serbia. They must know. And the good thing is that Serbia offering part-time job for the students, and student can earn their handsome amount for their living cost and also for their study cost, which is tuition fees. So in this regard, Serbia is a good destination, because officially students are allowed to work around 20 hours weekly, and they can handsomely earn about in between 600 to 1000 euro, which is far more enough for their living cost and their study expenses. I believe that consultant should give honest advice, that not to keep them in dark, give the clearer picture of the expenses, that how much they are going to cost them. And we are managing our universities, or most of the government universities, especially NIES, they are accommodating our medical student for MBBS. They are accepting tuition fees in 2 or 3 installments for the first year. That the first year has most expenses, because in the first year they are going to pay for the visa, for their insurances, their translations, admission cost, and service charges. So it's become a huge amount in the first year. So university is cooperating in that way, and they are providing us flexibility of tuition fees in 2 or 3 installments, which is very helpful for the students and their parents to manage the cost. And once they are reaching Serbia, they are allowed to work part-time, and in this way they can manage their expenses. So on the whole, parents are going to bear minimum expenses for the first time and the last, and students are going to manage their own tuition fees and living cost by working part-time in Serbia. So I believe once again that yes, there are consultants which amongst us, and they are not giving clear picture, and especially they are keeping so many things hidden from the parents and student and try to rip them off, which is no good. We should accommodate our community, our people, because especially this is a difficult time financially for parents to manage the education of their children, especially education in abroad, in European countries. So we should accommodate them. We should try to facilitate and try to bring maximum good potential out, that they can become doctor, engineer, pharmacist and nurses and serve the humanity and have a bright future. So I believe that this information will help you, and you will find out that there are certain good aspects which can fascinate you to come to Serbia and study over there. Any other things, keep asking these questions, and I believe that this is my responsibility to give honest and true advice and information that you can choose what you want in your for your study future. So thank you so much, guys, and I believe that this message, this answer will help you for your futuristic decision.